All right, this is Gigi Faison here sharing with you the finale of the wreath that has been added to the front door. Let me get you a little bit closer so you can see the color, how it pops through. See something a little right here. Oh, that's the greenery in there. I thought it was like a gap, but it's actually just greenery poking through there. So here, this is what it looks like. And I have my lanterns here. The actual bush portion of the hydrangea I use to place into my lanterns here. That way I did not waste anything. We are not about waste here. And again, this is my Grandin Road inspired wreath. It is not my Grandin Road purchased wreath because the wreath in Grandin Road was $149. Not trying to do that for that, but it was inspiration to me. And if you see something that you like, study it, look at it, and who knows how your creative juices may start to flow. And all it takes a lot of time is a glue gun, glue sticks, and whatever it is that you want to put together. So hey, thank you so much for checking into my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe over to my channel. If you and also don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And if you are already a subscriber, then I ask that you share me with a family member or friend, because over here we are trying to grow this channel. And I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you that have supported me, looked at my videos, shared my videos, and I just hope to be an inspiration. Use the things that you have in your home already, and if you can't buy it, create it. That's what I have to say. Goodbye for now. Be blessed. Don't forget to keep your hands washed out of your face, out of your hair, out of your nose, out of your eyes. Keep them washed with soap and water, and don't forget to use your hand sanitizer. Again, be blessed and goodbye for now. Thank you.